Now that you have your list of products, you can use JavaScript to insert them into the HTML. With this approach, if you decide to add more products, the HTML will automatically reflect that. It says to start by calling the for each method of your products array and then use an arrow syntax to create an empty callback function. We know that we have an array inside of here, which is the product. Here it is. All we have to do is to call that array here. Call the array first and then interpolate the method, which is for each, and then the parentheses. And inside the for each method is where we input the empty callback function. But first, before that, we have to write the parentheses where we would input our excuse me parameters or arguments, and the curly braces in here to indicate the callback function. Now, what does for each method do? We access the array, which is the products, and then inside the array is that we iterate through it and execute each operation in each elements, which are these objects. So that is what the for each method do. Nice.